If you're facing verification issues on DoorDash after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided during the verification process is accurate. Double-check your name, address, phone number, and any identification documents for any mistakes or discrepancies. Step 2. Update your app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the DoorDash app. Go to your device's app store, check for updates, and install any available updates to ensure you have the most recent features and bug fixes. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve any temporary issues. Go to your device settings, find the DoorDash app, and select the option to clear cache. Then restart the app and attempt the verification process again. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. They may require additional information or provide specific instructions to help you complete the verification process successfully. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on DoorDash. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from the support team.